If you need to remove a team member from your Whop, this video will walk you through the process step by step so you can do it quickly and confidently. Whether someone no longer needs access, you're updating your team, or you simply want better control over your community, removing a member in Whop is straightforward once you know where to look. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to whop.com, then sign into your account. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on your home feed. From there, look to the left-hand navigation sidebar and click Dashboard. This will take you into the main area where you can manage your Whop space. If you manage more than one community, you'll want to select the correct community name at the top left before continuing. That step is important because if you're in the wrong community, you won't see the right team settings or the right members. After you've selected the correct community, head over to the dashboard sidebar and scroll down until you find all tools. In some accounts, you may need to click More first to reveal additional options. Once the tools are visible, click Team. This is where Whop keeps all of your team management settings, including members, moderators, and access permissions. Now you'll be inside the team management section. Look for the Members tab, because that is where your team member list will appear. If you have a long list of people, you can either scroll through the names or use the search function to find the exact user you want to remove. Take a moment here to double-check the correct person, especially if you have several moderators or similar usernames. This helps you avoid removing the wrong account by mistake. Once you've found the team member or moderator you want to remove, look to the right side of their name for the 3 dots menu. Click those 3 dots to open the options for that user. In the menu, you should see an option such as Remove Member or Revoke Access. Select that option, and Whop will usually ask you to confirm the action in a pop-up window. This confirmation step is important because removing a member will immediately take away their access to the team or community tools you assign to them. If you're sure you want to continue, confirm the removal. After that, the member should no longer have access to your Whop team. At this point, it's a good idea to quickly review your remaining team list and make sure everything looks correct. If you're managing roles and permissions regularly, keeping your team updated helps protect your community and keeps your workflow organized. And that's it. You've now learned how to remove a team member from your Whop. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.